This week, we're going to highlight another notable increase in nationwide soybean planting progress last week. We're also going to highlight short-term weather trends as we move into the month of June. And then we're going to highlight the fact that export sales of U.S. soybeans continue to surpass the USDA forecast. Hi, this is Brian Bastine with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the soybean market. We've moved into the month of June here, and this market remains historically volatile. Let's start out looking at our nationwide map of planting progress. Last week we saw another nice jump of 16 percentage points, up to 66% planted nationwide as of Sunday the 29th. Notice that's only 1 percentage point behind the 5-year average of 67%. I do want to take a moment, however, and highlight a couple of states that remain below average. Minnesota at 55% versus 80% on the 5-year average, and notably, North Dakota only 23% planted versus 70% for the 5-year average. Let's now take a look at the historical trends in soybean planting progress. This chart shows the last 6 years of planting progress as well as the 5-year average. On average, approximately 21% of U.S. beans are planted between May 29th and June the 12th. So we're looking at if things move according to average here, we'd be approaching 90% by June the 12th. Of course, that planting pace the next 2 weeks will be directly related to weather trends. Let's take a look at the short-term trends in weather. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. We're starting out here looking at a particularly wet area, again highlighting North Dakota up in that northern plains. It's really struggling here to get the crops planted this spring. Now we're looking at the Tuesday and Wednesday of this week. The storms are moving across the heart of the Corn Belt. The heaviest areas you can see are in those pink areas, maybe another inch in those areas. The biggest change in weather over the next 10 days, however, will be a return to cool temps. We're highlighting that here by looking at the pink area being 3 to 6 degrees below normal over the next 10 days, while that lighter blue area is 1 to 4 degrees below normal. So it is going to cool down here as we begin the month of June. Now we're looking into next week, June 6th to the 13th. That heavy green area, 1 to 2 inches of additional rainfall. So it looks like it's going to be cool and wet as we move into early June. Let's switch gears here and refocus our efforts on the export trends for soybeans. We've highlighted this before, but it bears repeating. We've just started the last quarter of the crop year, June, July, and August, and yet we continue to see soybean export sales at a brisk pace. Let's take a look at that. Now we're looking here at unshipped bean sales as of late May, and we're looking at the highest level ever, second highest level ever, beg your pardon, in late May. So again, a very strong export program. Here's the key message we want to highlight. We've already sold 2.186 billion bushels of beans as of late May. Now the USDA for the year is only forecasting 2.140 billion bushels of exports. So our bias is USDA continues to underestimate the export potential, and we're at 2.200 billion bushel. Let's wrap things up this week looking at trends in November soybean futures. Now as we enter June here, November soybean futures for 2022 are trading about $15.10 a bushel. Now it's backed off a bit here from last month, but it's still the highest level ever for early June. So once again, whether it's new crop or old crop, we continue to strongly encourage you to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to manage price movement. Now if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and never miss an upload. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.